Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Kumar Yadav. Today we are going to see LeetCode problem number 3300. In this problem, it's saying that minimum element we have to find after the adding the sum. What it is means, I will explain you briefly. Here we have given an array. Inside that array, few elements are there. In a particular array index, some values will be there. If it is more than one, we have to add those value. Like here we have 1 and 0, so we have to add 0 plus 1. What will be the sum of these two? So 1 will be the sum, and here 12 is there. 1 plus 2, if we will add, we will get 3. If you are adding here, 1 plus 3 is 4, and 1 plus 4 is 5. So in between all the added value, like here we get 1, sorry, here after adding 1 and 0, we are getting 1, here we are getting 2, here we are getting 3, here we are getting 4, sorry, here we are getting, in after adding 13 we will get 4, here we will after adding 14 we will get 5. So in this all the value, we have to find the minimum of all these values. So we'll move forward to the our diagram which I have created for you. This is the LeetCode problem as it is, I have copied. So how we are going to solve this? So first of all, we will take we have to take one minimum like mean value. Why it's not typing? Okay, we'll move to them. We have to take minimum value. We will take like 0. It's 0, and after that we will take one for loop. Sorry, minimum equal to 0. Later on, just give me a second. And after that we will take for loop which will go through I to our length, whatever the length will be there. After that, we will define that what is the sum we are going to. Initially, we will take sum equal to 0. And later on, we will take one number. We will assign our uh, just as when we have a spelling mistake. Initially, we already have given some number. Number we have given in the form of array. It is already given to us. Sorry. It's already given to us. Num is given, so we will make them in add into a temporary variable for our, so that why we are adding in temporary variable here, you will get to know that. I will explain you why we use temporary, because if you are taking directly num, then the value of your while you are treating the loop, it will value of the original number is will be changed, so we will lose that original number. Here you can see that example. We are taking 1 2 3. So after doing the operations, the number the original value of number will becomes 0. So that's why we are using a temporary variable, and inside the temporary variable we will assign to num, and after that we will take a while loop. Inside that we will run that while loop, temporary greater than 0. Then we will next what we will do, we will try to find the sum. What is the value? Sum equal to sum plus and temp divided by 10. Why we are dividing? Sorry, modulo we are taking. Sorry, it's not a divide. We are dividing modulo. What it will do? It will give the last value of all the element. Suppose how will I explain? Yeah, temp. Suppose we have in 1 2 3 sum equal to 0. So if you divide 1 to 3, if you're taking modulo of 1 to 3, not dividing, so we will get the last value. Like that we will repeat this. After that we have to take go for temp, sorry, temp equal to temp divide by 10. So if, after doing this one, what will happen? Just here we are having dividing temporary variable by 10. So what it will do, the last element, whatever the last element will be there, it will extract that value, it will remove that value from that. Suppose we are having 1 2 3, right? So if you are dividing 1 to 3 by 10, so the last value of 1 to 3 is 10 3. So the 3 will be excluded from the 123. Like this, you can take an example. 1 2 3 is that dividing 10, so output will be 12. So our temporary value will be becomes 12. So here you can see that temporary we are assigning to dividing by 10, so it will become 12. After that, uh, I will close this loop and move to that find minimum. There is multiple ways to find the minimum, but we are going to see in simple way minimum is greater than some, then we will minimum we will assign minimum to the sum, and then in the end after exiting we will exit from the loop, and we will return after exiting the loop we will return the minimum. This is our code. So we are going to run the same code in LeetCode. So first int mm, min equal to integer integer dot math. After that we will take a loop. This will we will take as a for each loop. While inside that in num for each loop is that this is the syntax for each loop. If you don't know, you can refer some videos on YouTube, and we will take a sum. In sum initially we will define the sum equal to 0, and int, sorry, yeah, int temp equal to sum, not sum, it will be num. After that we will go while loop, we will take a while loop, and inside that temp greater than 0, then till then we will run our loop sum equal to sum plus temp modulo 10. By using that we will get the last value of our element, and after that we will that value should be excluded the value which we have added. So temp equal to temp divided by 10, and later on we will find in min greater than sum, then min equal to sum, and in the end we will return minimum. Let's try to run this. What is the error? Minimum integer dot max value. Okay, like it should be in caps. Entire thing should be in caps. Why I am taking integer dot max value? Because we're taking, instead of assigning 0, we can take integer dot max value, because we are comparing a minimum value to a maximum value. So always we will get minimum value we will compare here, minimum greater than sum or not. So it will be, we will get always minimum. We can take here 0 also. It will work in a compiler, our compiler, normal compiler. But here in LeetCode, there is some criteria are given. That's because of that reason it will not work. So we are taking it as a integer value. This is already defined in like Java. It is having some values. Random value is it is assigned. Not random value. Its fixed value is there, and it is considered as a maximum value. So this is our output. We will get the same output as expected. We will submit this one. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.